Hi all, let's learn together. This is Swarnalata Patel. In this video, we will discuss about inheritance in Python. Inheritance in Python is a core concept of object-oriented programming. This allows a child class or a derived class to inherit attributes and methods from another class, that is the parent class or base class. You can think of in the real life scenario how a child inherits the property of a parent. So where do we need inheritance? This promotes code reusability. It also establishes a hierarchical relationship between classes where specialized classes can build upon more general ones. In this video, let's explore single inheritance. So let's think of a class. There is a class called employee, and I'll write the code so that it will be easy to understand. And then init, let's say we are having the employee is having ID, name, and one tax. Now we are assigning these variables like ID, name, and tax. Let's say we are having a function where we are displaying the employee detail. And instead of three printf, let me do one printf where we are displaying the ID, name, and then tax. Let me type it. So here we are displaying the ID, name, and then tax for this employee. Let's say there is another class called manager. A manager is also an employee. So now what we'll do, we'll define a class called manager, and then it is inheriting from employee. Now you can think of like we are having the ID, name, tax, and then instead of the department, let me take one program name which the manager manages. Program name, and here I'll assigning the program name. You can notice this keyword called super. Super will take initialize the variables from the uh, parent class. Parent class is in this case employee. So from this employee, we are taking the ID, name, and tax, and this program name manager is having extra. Now we are displaying the manager details. What is the ID, name, and then tax, and then program name. Now let's create an object of the manager. So manager equal to manager. Let's say I am having the ID as 1, name as Swarna. The task is, let's say, as it is manager, manage, and then the program name, let's say legacy modernization. And let's see. Now let's call this function manager and then display manager details. And we can call the employee details also by using the same manager object. Control S and let me run it. And you see here manager ID and then Swarna and then task is managed program name. So basically these three um, variables id name and task manager class is inheriting from the employee class, and along with this the program name is one extra variable the manager is having, and this is the way this manager is inheriting from this employee base class or the parent class, and then manager is the child class here. So this is the single inheritance, that is from one base class we are deriving another child class. There are other types of inheritance and we'll explore in the next video. Thanks for watching.